Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. Today we're going to journey through your body with gentle awareness, releasing tension and creating space for deep relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, wherever you feel most at ease. Allow your eyes to close softly, or if you prefer, let your gaze rest gently downward. Take a moment to arrive here fully. Notice that you've created this time and space just for yourself. Begin by taking 3 deep, nourishing breaths. Breathe in slowly through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and exhale through your mouth with a soft sigh. Let that first breath wash over you. Take your second deep breath, even slower this time. And as you exhale, feel your body beginning to settle into this moment. One more deep breath, breathing in peace and calm. And as you release this breath, let go of anything you no longer need to carry. Now allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. There's nothing you need to change or control. Simply notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the soft movement of air flowing in and out. With each exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. We're going to begin our body scan by bringing gentle attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations here, perhaps warmth, coolness, tingles, or simply the feeling of your hair against your scalp. There's no right or wrong thing to feel. Simply observe with curiosity and kindness. Let your awareness flow down to your forehead. Feel the space between your eyebrows, the width of your forehead. If you notice any tension here, breathe into this area and imagine it softening. Now bring your attention to your eyes. Notice the gentle weight of your closed eyelids. Feel the space around your eyes, letting any tightness melt away with each exhale. Move your awareness to your jaw. This is a place where many of us hold stress. Let your jaw be loose and heavy. Allow your mouth to fall slightly open if that feels comfortable. Breathe into your jaw and let it release completely. Notice your neck and throat area. Feel the gentle curve of your neck, the soft space of your throat. With each breath, allow this area to soften and open. Let your awareness travel down to your shoulders, these beautiful shoulders that carry so much throughout your day. Notice if they're holding any tension. Breathe into your shoulders and imagine them melting down away from your ears. Let them be heavy and completely relaxed. Flow your attention down your arms. Notice your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms. Feel the weight of your arms as they rest. Bring awareness all the way down to your hands. Notice your palms, the backs of your hands, each finger. Let your hands be completely soft and open. Now bring your attention to your chest. Feel the gentle expansion with each inhale, the soft release with each exhale. Notice your heart beating steadily, supporting you with each rhythm. Breathe appreciation into your heart space. Let your awareness move to your upper back, that strong foundation that supports you. Send breath and gratitude to this area. Notice if there are any spots that feel tight, and imagine your breath flowing directly to those places, creating space and ease. Bring attention to your belly, this soft, round area that often holds our emotions. Place a hand here if you'd like, and breathe deeply into your belly. Let it be soft and free, rising and falling naturally with each breath. Move your awareness to your lower back, an area that works hard to support your whole body. Send gentle breath and appreciation here. If you notice any discomfort, imagine breathing space and softness directly into those areas. Notice your hips, these powerful joints that allow you to move through the world. Let them feel heavy and relaxed. Breathe into your hip area and let any tension dissolve. Flow your attention down to your thighs. Feel the weight of your upper legs, the strength in these muscles. Let them be completely heavy and supported. Move your awareness to your knees, these amazing hinges that bend and flex for you countless times each day. Send gratitude to your knees. Notice your calves, the muscles that help you walk and move. Feel them resting completely. Bring attention to your feet, these faithful companions that carry you everywhere you go. Feel your heels, the arches of your feet, your toes. Send appreciation to your feet for all they do. Now take a moment to feel your body as a whole, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Notice the sense of complete relaxation you've created. Feel how your body is being fully supported, held safely in this moment. You are completely relaxed, completely at peace. Your body knows how to rest, how to heal, how to restore itself. Trust in this natural process. In a moment, we'll begin to slowly return to full awareness, bringing this sense of peace with you. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take a deeper breath, feeling energy slowly returning to your body. When you're ready, open your eyes softly and take a moment to appreciate this gift of relaxation you've given yourself. Carry this sense of peace with you as you move forward in your day. Thank you for sharing this meditation with me.